Hey guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create particle animation with using RealFlow plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a simple torus, this one, and I change radius size. Guys, ring radius I take like 150 and I increase segments. So I increase segments like this, like 150, same, and guys also increase pipe segments like this, same, like 60, right? Okay, so guys now I create rotation animation. So now I increase frame like 200, yes, and select this torus and I go to chord, guys, r.b and change, create animation like this, right? Okay, so guys go to 0 and press this animation key. And now I go to last 200 frames and r.b I take like 720 and press this animation key, yes, and play. But guys, that's not correct. So stop. I go to window and timeline F curve tool. And guys, that's my graph editor. Select all, press Ctrl A and click on liner tool. Click, that's it. So go to back and again play. Yes, right guys, that's really simple. Okay, so guys now I use RealFlow. So go on here and that's my RealFlow plugin. Guys, that third-party plugin. So again, and this time I go to emitter and use fill. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys now I take one more time sphere, that's my fill object, and select, and I go to object, and guys segments I increase like 50 is good. So guys select this emitter and that's my body. Select this pair, drag and drop in body. Yeah, and hide this pair, hide and hide on render, and see guys, right? Okay, so guys select this pair and go to up, I show you, see guys, that's my sphere. Guys, you can increase field option, change, you can increase size like this for more visibility. Okay, so guys go to back and play. It's not animate. So guys now I apply gravity. So I go to plugin, actually RealFlow, and use gravity, this one, yeah, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my animation. Okay, so guys now I change animation path. So select this sphere and again up like this. Yes guys, it's too much faster, so decrease gravity effect. I decrease gravity. So select this gravity and strength I take like 500 and go to back and play. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys now I apply RealFlow tag on torus. So select this torus and right click, go to RealFlow tag and use collider, and yeah, all is good, that's it. So go to back and play. Yes, better. See guys, that's really good. One more time. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so guys now I change more setting on field, select and go to field and type. I change like this one, and again go to back and play. It's more splashy effect. Yes, better. See guys, that's really good. It's my really beautiful particle animation. Guys, little bit change more gravity. So select this gravity and I take like 400 and play. Yeah, that's really good. See guys, now this is fixed. So closer, select this pair and y-axis 1400 and closer like this. and go to back and play. Yes, very nice. Okay, so guys, now you can increase bouncing effect. So select this collider tag and bounce. I take like 1, actually 0.5. Yeah, and play. Yeah, that's really also better. Okay, so guys, now stop. I change some setting on screen and go to solver and auto param uncheck. And guys, all I take like 10, 10 and 10 and go to back and play. Guys, now system getting little bit slow. Yeah, that's also better. Okay, so guys, change minimum subtract. I take 5, 5 and 5. Yes. Okay, so guys, it's not necessary. You can take auto. Actually, take 2, 2 and 2. Yeah. Yeah, that's much better. See guys, that's my final animation. Yeah, beautiful. Right? Okay, so guys, that's my looping animation like. Okay, so guys, now I apply sphere on particles. So stop, and guys, I take sphere and sphere radius I take like 5. Guys, select this sphere and make child with flood, this one. Yeah, and guys, select this sphere, actually this one, and go to out of frame. Yes, and guys, play. Yes, see guys, that's my particles. Okay, so guys, now I apply material. So I go to create and load material. Guys, I already create materials and select this. That's my file material and open. Yeah, guys, apply gold material on sphere, this one. Yes, and guys, use background and apply this pink material on background and use sky. And guys, that's my HDRI material, and right click on sky and use guys compositing tag and scene by camera uncheck. Yes, and guys, now I take camera and camera check and lock this camera angle like this. Select, go on here and little bit up. Yes, okay guys, my camera angle is fixed, and right click on camera and take protection. Yes, and guys, white material on torus. Yeah, and see guys, that's my beautiful golden sphere, right? It's really beautiful. And again, go to camera and guys, go to back and play. Okay, so guys, see, that's not correct. So select this sphere, this one, and that's my sphere. Go to out of frame. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's really good. Right? It's really beautiful guys fact. Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. Now go to render setting. Here output, guys, if you create fast render, you can take only SD. Otherwise, you can take full HD frame. It's dependent on your work. Use HD frame, this one, and frame range use all. And guys, this time I use only global illumination, and indirectly cache use low. That's it. So go to save and go to desktop and create new folder like render and take any file name. Yes, that's it. So close. And guys, before render, go on here screen and use all GPU check. That's really better for rendering, and go to cache simulation check. Yes, after cache, create render. So guys, that's it. It's my RealFlow tutorial finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.